Alright, so today we're going to be going over how an airfoil creates lift. What is lift? So lift is one of the four fundamental forces acting on the airplane. The other three forces would be drag, thrust, and the weight, which works opposite to lift. Lift is the key force which keeps the airplane in the air. How is lift created? So in general, the wing's upper surface is curved so the air rushing over the top of the wing speeds up and stretches out, which decreases the air pressure above the wing. And as you can see here, there's always an area of low pressure on top of the wing, which would mean that the area on the bottom of the wing is an area of high pressure. So since high pressure always moves toward low pressure, the air below the wing pushes upward above the top of the wing, uh, and then the wing in the middle is then lifted by the force of the air perpendicular to the wing. Bernoulli's principle can help us in this situation. This principle states that an increase in the speed of a fluid occurs simultaneously with a decrease in pressure or a decrease of the fluid's potential energy. So as we see here in this picture, the air over the top of the wing is being scrunched down due to the curvature of the wing, so it's going to have an increase in speed, and that would decrease the pressure on the top of the wing, and the pressure on the bottom of the wing is still high because it is going in a straight line and there's no constriction going on. So now, applying what we know about Bernoulli's principle, we can look at this slide. To conserve the mass flow rate in the upper half of the wing as it becomes narrower, the wind must flow faster. Hence, in accordance with the speed-pressure relationship of Bernoulli's principle, this constriction means that we have a net pressure differential that generates a lift force. This lift force is in the upwards direction perpendicular to the plane's direction. That will be all for our lesson on how a wing generates lift. Have a good one.